Let's look at freeze pane. Now, most of you would have worked with freeze pane earlier, but in case you haven't had the chance to do that, let me just open the samples workbook and give you a quick demonstration. So if I select the cell C2, what I want to do is to lock the two columns on the left, which is A and B, and lock the row at the top, which is row number 1. To do this, we can go to view. Let me enable editing first. We can go to view and then select freeze panes. And you notice that when I scroll to the right, column A and B will always be visible. Similarly, when I scroll to the bottom, my heading, which is row number 1, will always be visible. So I'm not saving this change. We want to go back and I want to show you how you can apply a freeze pane using a Python code. So my workbook is the same workbook on which we have been working, which is samples.xlsx. And then our sheet is equal to the active sheet. And then we simply say sheet dot freeze panes is equal to the cell that we wanted, which is C2. And remember, we also have to save your workbook once you've done this. So workbook.save, and the file name is, I'll just give it a different name now. So we'll call this sample with, or rather samples with filters.xlsx. Going back to our folder, there is a new workbook called samples with filters. And if I click and open it, you will see that the freeze pane has automatically been applied.